Countertops. My name is Jared Tatanish with Emerald Coast Fabrication, and today we're here in Camp Creek at another spectacular house. Let's go check out the stonework. Come on. So here we are in this open galley kitchen, and the highlight of this kitchen is the Quartzite Island. On the island, we did a very unique edge treatment with a bullnose on the top, connected with a 4-inch spacer piece and another bullnose edge treatment on the bottom, creating a more colonial and classic look. To finish off the kitchen, we have this unique gigantic hood combined with the full height swooping splash on the perimeter. So one of my favorite things about this house is the use of archways in combination with square edges. And you can see here in the powder bath, we have an archway with the gold mirror combined with the Black Absolute Brushed Granite drop edge, full height splash with the wall faucets coming out. Makes a really beautiful combination. So here we are in this unbelievably gorgeous master bathroom, and on the split vanities we have Calacatta Borghini with a unique mitered waterfall panel in the front face of the cabinet. And we've carried this same Calacatta Borghini marble over here to the master shower jam, arcing it around the doorway opening. Just really elegant and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching another episode of Checking Out the Countertops. I'm going to get some self-care now, so I'm going to need you to leave, and I'll see you on the next episode.